Hello students, welcome in chapter 6 AOD, application of derivative. Students, today we there is a exercise 6, but there are all mixing questions related to our exercise 6.1 to 6.5. Yes students, indirectly it is a revise our chapter. So I going the first one, using differentiations, either derivative, find the approximate value of 17 by 81. Approximate value means exercise 6.4 related, f of x plus del x. Yes, fx plus f dash x del x. Where del x is what? Yes, minimum number. So here I just taking two suggestion in related to it. Suppose fx is equal to my question x raised to the power 1 by 4, where x taking, del x taking, but both summation must be, I want the 17 by 81, and again I repeat, del x taking minimum value. So here I write down 16 by 81, 1 by 81, 16 by 81, 1 by 81, it gets 17 by 81. Now why taking 16 and 17, 1 by 81? Because I want fourth root. 16 fourth root known, 2, and 81 fourth root known, 3. So I just start now f dash x d dx of our question and apply that simple derivative. So 1 by 4 x raised to 1 by 4 minus 1. So my answer is 1/4 x raised to minus 3/4. And students, here our first derivative is easily done. So students, 1 by 4 x raised to minus 3 by 4. Now I just start x value and fx value. So fx 16 by 81 and apply here 16 by 81 the fourth root. It means 2/3 the fourth root. So my answer is, students, 2/3. Now f dash x, f dash 16 by 81, and that also apply in their f dash x. 1 by 4 16 by 81 raised to minus 3/4. So 1 by 4 here, 2 by 3 raised to 4 power, and minus 3/4 is again same. 4 cancel. Other I have 1 by 4 2 by 3 raised to minus 3, and now just I rearrange. Yes, so 1 by 4 it get to 3 by 2 raised to cube, because minus power already I converting into plus, and my answer is a 3 cube 27, 2 cube 8, 8 4s are 32, and now I going to, students, approximate value f of x plus del x is approx fx plus f dash x del x, and now apply their whole value. Your fx is a 2/3. Yes, and f dash x, what is your f dash x? 27 by 32, and del x is 1 by 81. And here, students, very easily utilize your calculator and get the answer. So 2/3, this cancel, 27 3 is a 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, and here, students, your whole answer for the question 17 by 81 raised to 1/4, and that's after utilize simple calculator, which is, students, 0.677, and here my first question is easily done. Now similarly, students, I going second one. Yes, find the approximate value of 33 raised to 1 by 5. 33 means nearest to 32, 2 raised to 5, and 2 raised to 5 is 32. So here, students, I assume, suppose our function is x raised to minus 1 by 5, where x taking 32 but del x taking 1, that is x plus del x. Indirectly you have to 33, and apply your derivative f dash x d dx of x raised to minus 1 by 5. So my value minus 1 by 5, x raised to minus 1 by 5 minus 1. So that's answer is minus 6 by 5. Yes, 5 and the 5 plus 1 6. Now students, that is your f dash x. Now I just start first fx, and x I have 32. Apply on it. So 32 raised to minus 1 by 5, 2 raised to 5, and that becomes 2 raised to minus 1, means how much? 1 by 2. And f dash x 32, apply on it. Here minus 1 by 5, x raised to minus 1 by 5 minus 1. So here are 32 minus 1 by 5 same, and x raised to minus 6 by 5. Very easy. So minus 1 by 5, here 2 raised to 5, 5 getting. Now I just rearrange my both value. 2 raised to 6 is remaining. And how much 2 raised to 6? 2 raised to 5, 32 into 2, 64. So minus 1 by 5 into 64. Now I collect both value in the approximate formula f of x plus del x, which is fx plus f dash x del x. Now what is your fx? My fx value is 1 by 2, and f dash x is minus 1 by 5 into 64, and del x is only and only 1. And here students, utilize your calculator and get the answer. So my value is 1 by 2, here nothing, 5 into 64, and you can try using calci. My data is 33 raised to minus 1 by 5, and here get one of the approximate value. So which is students 0.497 approximate, and here students our first data approximate related easily done. Now continue students. Question number 2. Show that given functions fx log x by x is maximum at x is equal to e. Maximum minimum, it means 6.5 related. Yes, step 1, step 2, step 3 method. Yes students, I apply first of all my first step and easily going to f dash x, which is d dx of my function log x base e by x, and what the derivative in denominator square. Denominator, this derivative 1 by x. Now continue log x, and x derivative is 1, this cancel. Only I have 1 minus log x base e upon x square, and that's your f dash x. Now I slowly going to second order derivative, also f double dash x in denominator square, it means 4 power 80. Now x square, this derivative 0 minus 1 by x. Now numerator, denominator derivative x raised to 4. Now simple, you just calculate this x and this x. We have to have double dash x, it is only x, and another as it is 1 minus log x base e x raised to 4 by x raised to 4. Now I just going my second step, step 2. What is step 2? If first derivative is equal to 0, and method you know, what is the first derivative here? That one minus log x base e by x square is equal to 0. It's very easy, you just derive value of x. Just compare both sides after arranging 1 is equal to log e base e. Can I write 1 in the base of e? Yes, log e base e. Now compare it, x is equal to e. Now target is what? Maximum at x is equal to e. So this x is equal to e, I check in double dash. So my next step 3, f double dash x, and apply on it f double dash e. So my data is e minus 1 minus log e base e into e raised to 4 by e raised to 4. But now what is log e base e? 1. Indirectly 1 minus 1. So your value is ab double dash e minus, indirectly it is 0. E minus 0 by e raised to 4, 1 by e cube, and definitely it is greater than 0. So I can say yes. Therefore, at x is equal to e, fx is maximum. And here students, my this data indirectly coming here our one of the value. Yes students, here by mistakes, my mistake here, x and x cancel, here remaining are minus x. So here students, these are the minus x, indirectly here minus e, this is a minus e, and minus 1 by e cube is a less than 0. So we can say here it is a maximum. Yes students, indirectly here my mistakes there, you just make the correction. It is x and x square is minus x. Now numerical done, but if you are asking here what is the maximum value, so you can apply here in the extra fx, log x base e by x. Here apply e, log e base e by e. My answer is 1 by e is my maximum value. Yes students, if you getting less than 0, then you can call it is a maximum. And that's here students, our this question is done. Now students, continue one more numerical, third. This is also exam oriented. The question is, the two equal sides of an isosceles triangle with the fixed base b is a constant and decreasing at the rate 3 centimeter per second. It means two equal sides is decreasing. Then how fast area decrease if the equal sides is equal to its base? So students, this is your isosceles triangle. You know that there is one of the base and these two are the equal sides. I just taking that suggestion to have the x centimeter. Here A, B and C. And this base I just consider B. Yes, now very easy. Start the first. Two equal sides of the isosceles triangle with base B is decreasing. Means this side is decreasing. dx versus dt. Which is what? 3 centimeter per second. This decrease. And how fast? Area. So area of triangle, I just apply half into base into height. Yes, this is height I taking students, one of the 90 degree. And also median. So here you write down median as well as write down altitude, because in the isosceles triangle and in the isosceles triangle, now after that equilateral triangle, both have median and altitude are same. So this altitude I utilize here, and my target is how fast area decrease. It means d del by dt is target if, read that, when two equal sides is equal to base, means if x is equal to b. This your total fundamental question. I just start here base b, median, then b by 2 and operate in this triangle ADC. No doubt it is median then half, but altitude then 90 degree. I operate our Pythagoras. So in a triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. And Pythagoras apply, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. So my value is x square. Here altitude as it is. But what is DC? B by 2. So finally you can height define AD square, x square minus B square by 4. So what they get AD? Under root x square minus B square by 4. And that value is your first height is declared. Now I start area. So area of triangle, yes, half into base into height. And students, both value known now. What is the half with base? Base is b and height is AD. AD is my known value indirectly. So it is under root x square minus b square by 4. Now here students, I start my journey to derivative respect to time, second versus find out the area. Yes, here students, dx by dt I taking negative because the given that it is decreasing. So you don't write positive, it is a negative. Now I start derivative, differentiation with respect to t. Only apply derivative here. So d del by dt. Half b same, and this derivative I operate respect to time, x square minus b square by 4. Yes, b is a constant, only x variable. So my data d del by dt, half b same, root derivative you known 1 by 2 times, and x square minus b square by 4. Now x square derivative 2x, but x derivative dx by dt, and here constant derivative definitely 0. This cancel. Now read question one more time. If the area decreasing at the place of equal sides to equal is base, it means this find out for only x is equal to b. I put it there, x is equal to b. So d delta by dt, half b as it is. Here x place you can write down only b because they both are same. So here b square by 4, x value b, and dx by dt is known decreasing 3 centimeter per second, and that's you create your final answer d del by dt. Students, half b, here just going 4 minus 1 3, b square by 4, this whole root and into b minus 3 same. So indirectly your data is ready, d del by dt, half b, it is 2 by root 3b. Yes, root 3b and 4 is 2, and here students b into minus 3. Now your final value, b cancel, here 2 cancel, and root 3 with the 3, just balance it. So d del by dt is clearly minus root 3 into b centimeter square per second, and this students area minus indicate what? Decreasing area, minus root 3b, and that's your answer students in the for your whole questions. Now continue students, one more questions. It is the most IMP numerical, many time asking in final exam, and this question students printed in your textbook 3 times. Question 4, question 23, and example 45. Question is, find the equation of normal to the curve x square is equal to 4y which is passes through 1, 2. Yes, it's a very big numerical. Yes, I going slowly explanations. Consider this your curve, and given curve x square is equal to 4y, and given point 1, 2 maybe lies on the curve, either not lies. So I just checking this point A consider, and A point I just check to given curve lies or not. Compulsory checking. Yes. So x is 1, y is 2, here x and y. Check. 1 is equal to 8? No. They not lies. It means given point not belonging our curve. So here 1 less than 8 actually coming. So actually your point is here. You are here in the inside the parabola, and that's your one of the normal, and that is your tangent. Because tangent passing through or touching the curve and 90 degree passing through that tangent, it is normal. Here students have tangent. So I just suggest here one of the point P A comma B on the curve, and point P define first, and after that I calculate equation of the normal. So I start my sum. Suppose, but this necessary you check. Yes students, if you hear 1 less than 8, then internal point is equal to if you coming then on the point, and if you more than coming then outside the parabola. Now here suppose P A comma B on the curve. What is the curve? X square is equal to 4y. So definitely you also on the curve then attach on it value wise x is a square y is b. That is our statement number 1, and this equation utilized at the end of these solutions. Yes, now the given curve, I just make derivative respect to x, and if you respect to x derivative, you define what? Slope of tangent. After that, slope of normal. So differentiation with respect to simple x. So you can derive it here, d dx x square and d dx of 4y. So my value is here 2x, 4 dy by dx. So what is the dy by dx? 2x by 4. It means x by 2. And they indicate what? Slope of tangent. Yes, here mentioned clearly slope of tangent. And at the which place? Point also you know, a comma b. You never write down 1 comma 2 because 1 comma 2 is not belong the curve. Here operate it is a by 2. Therefore slope of normal. Yes students, now I going to slope of normal. Very easy, minus 1 by slope of tangent. Yes students, here I operate slope of tangent, and slope of tangent I know. It means my value is indirectly minus 2 by a. Now slope of tangent ready. Passing through known a comma b. After that I passing through 1 comma 2. So equation of tangent. Sorry, my mistakes. Not equation of tangent. Equation of normal. Having slope is that minus 2 by a, and passing through, we are passing through a comma b. So my equation of normal y minus y1 and x minus x1. y1 is b and x1 is a, and slope is what? Minus 2 by a, and here x minus a. Now here students, simple, you just operate the simplifications. One of the ay minus ab minus 2x plus 2a. Yes, this normal passing through no doubt ab, but also passing through 1 2 already given in question. So I just continue, it's also passing through 1 comma 2. It is x coordinate 1, y coordinate 2. So applied here a to ab. Here 1 to a, 2a to a gone. Only I have ab is equal to 2. Here students wait. And again rechecking my equation number 1. A square is equal to 4b. B you know, and apply that. So here I apply a. What is the b? B is a square by 4. Here mention from 1. What is your one equation? A square is equal to 4b. Here that. And finally, my value is create easily. A cube is equal to 8. Now what is the a? 2. A 2. Then b is 2 by a. From here. So my answer is 2 by 2. It is 1. It means point AB ready. 2 comma 1. Yes students, only this point is now defined after that whole calculations. Now I easily define my target. What is the equation of normal? Very simple. So I just start now. Slope of normal 1 by 1, and after that passing through. So therefore slope of normal, students, this normal already we define here, minus 2 by a, but a is known, how much? 2. So I just operate here minus 1. Therefore equation of normal having slope minus 1 and passing through Students, here passing through you taking according to given question, not passing through 2 1. Yes, passing through 1 to apply because already given in the question. If you taking 2 1 then also true answer coming. But here I taking 1 2. So y minus y1 mx minus x1. y1 is 2. Slope minus 1. x1 is 1. So my data is very simple. X plus y is equal to 3. And here students, our equation of normal, it's very easily and happily completed here. Yes students, this part is also, I stop here and end this part. Further explanation for this exercise I explain you in the next part. Okay students, bye bye.